What is going on, you guys? Larry Sire 1999 on YouTube. As you might notice, I have the U-Haul truck here, the Dodge U-Haul truck. That actually, what I tried to do is originally I tried to I bought it off my other profile, which is on my mom's old phone. I'm not gonna bring up my mom realistically in this whole thing. I don't want to go through it. It's still hard for me to, but regardless, anyway, it was on my mom's phone. So what I tried to do was just do a swap thing where I where the other truck would be on that profile and I get this truck, but instead it didn't work out. It just merged them into one. But But the problems are, I'm noticing, if with this truck in general, if I have the wheels, small, which I like them small, it loves to like sway so much. And the suspension's basically stock too. Now, yes, I've added power. I could detune it, and I've been thinking about, making only twin turbos instead of triple or just a single, because I'm going to be honest, it's hard to drive this thing now. Unless I need to start driving slower, which is possible too. Oh, crap. Excuse me after that. Here's what I'll show you what it does. But I'm also thinking I might change the wheels, because I can't make up my mind what I want, is the problem. I can't even figure out what I want to use for this thing. Part of me wants me to use like stuff like this, but it's like, does it look right? Or this, to be honest, that doesn't look too bad either. That looks okay, but you know what? Let's go with these for a moment. And I'm just going to look to see what other wheels I could try. How would these look? They look not too bad. But I might make them just a tad bigger. Not too big. If I go in the middle here, they look... I don't like it as much. So I want to go down one size from almost two. But I think I'm going to try it like this and see how it handles. And I might detune it. Tell me down below if I should detune it, maybe, so it doesn't shake so bad. See what I mean? Why does it have to shake that much? I want to try detuning it to see if it makes a difference on the shakiness. And just by a single turbo. I just want to see if it makes a difference or not. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. The only reason I'm thinking about detuning it is just because still does that shake. But regardless, anyway, I need to work on making this truck not shake so bad. Now, just need to figure out, unless maybe I just don't accelerate hard. Or something like that. Luckily, this U-Haul truck I built, it did take me a while to kind of get it correct. I didn't put everything on there. I put most stuff. You know, the only difference between this one and the one on the other phone is the wheels and the fact that it didn't have the headache rack. But and this one has red headlights. But when it was on my mom's profile, like, you see that shakiness? It's bad. It's kind of ridiculous. I kind of wish they didn't have that type of physics shake. And the thing is, I didn't raise it or anything. I can understand if it would stop, you know, if I raised it, but I did not because, well, you understand where I'm coming from? But I figured I was going to take this off-road on camera to discuss some other builds I'm going to plan on doing on the other phone. You guys can comment down below what you guys think I need to build next for, like, some cool vehicles and all that. And also try to see, is it possible for me to get that Dodge back on the other phone, since I did that dumb trade-off, which I regret doing now. Even though it was because the shake is just so bad. Yo, I should build a U-Haul truck and Off-Road Outlaws. Stupid. But I don't know. I gotta figure something out. But I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one.